Good morning, this is Dr. Rakesh and we are learning multiple choice question on chemotherapy. And the first one is the most common side effect of oral administration of ampicillin is A. Diarrhea, B. Renal failure, C. Oral candidiasis and D. Anaphylactic shock. And the answer is diarrhea. Because incomplete absorption of ampicillin results in unabsorbed drug which irritates lower intestine results in diarrhea. Second question, which of following is primarily a bactericidal drug? And A part tetracycline, B gentamicin, C chloramphenicol, D sulfadiazine. And the answer is B part gentamicin. Because gentamicin is a bactericidal drug. Rest of three drugs are bacteriostatic. And the third question is chloramphenicol can cause A part aplastic anemia, B bone marrow suppression, C staining of teeth, and D A and B. And the answer is A and B. Chloramphenicol can cause both aplastic anemia and bone marrow suppression. Fourth question is tetracycline is contraindicated in A. Pregnancy, B. Children, C. Renal failure and D. All of the above. And the answer is all of the above, D part. Tetracycline is contraindicated in children, pregnancy and renal failure. Fifth question, antibiotic of choice in patients sensitive to penicillin is A. erythromycin, B. streptomycin, C. tetracycline and D. chloramphenicol. And the answer is erythromycin. If the patient is allergic to penicillin, then the erythromycin drug is preferred. Sixth question, peripheral neuritis is a complication of A part isoniazid, B ethambutol, C rifampicin and D pyrazinamide. And the answer is A part isoniazid. So isoniazid is an anti-TB drug. 7 question, desfuroxamide is a drug used for A. Kala Azar, B. pain control, C. thalassemia and D. pernicious anemia. And the answer is C part thalassemia. Desfuroxamide is a chelating agent for iron. It is also used for iron poisoning. 8 question, which of following is penicillinase resistant penicillin? And A part is amoxicillin, B ampicillin, C cloxacillin and D penicillin G. And the answer is C part cloxacillin. Methicillin, cloxacillin, neficillin and flucloxacillin are the penicillinase resistant penicillin. Next question, the drug which gives orange color to urine is A. rifampicin, B. ethambutol, C. INH and D. streptomycin. And the answer is A part rifampicin. Because rifampicin is an anti-tubercular drug, and when given it changes the color of urine into red orange color. 10th question, fluconazole is used for the treatment of A. candidiasis, B. syphilis, C. pemphigus, D. herpes simplex. So fluconazole is an anti-fungal drug. So it is used in the treatment of candidiasis, A part. So next question is ivermectin is indicated in A. filariasis, B. intestinal nematode infection, C. scabies, and D. all of the above. And the answer is D part, all of the above. The 12th question, the most serious side effect of drug chloramphenicol: A. bone marrow depression, B. photosensitivity, C. candidiasis, and D. angioneurotic edema. And the answer is A part, bone marrow depression. Next question is 13. Ketoconazole: A part antifungal, B part antibacterial, C part antiviral, and D part chemotherapeutic agent. And the answer is A part antifungal. And now 14th question. Ivermectin is indicated in A. scabies, B. filariasis, C. intestinal nematode infection, and D. all of the above. And the answer is D part, all of the above. 15th question. Bacitracin is A. parenteral antibiotic, B. oral antibiotic, C. topical antibiotic, and D. all. Answer is C part, topical antibiotic. Bacitracin is used topically and not parenterally. 16th question. Optic neuritis is the side effect of A. rifampicin, B. ethambutol, C. pyrazinamide, and D. INH. And the answer is ethambutol. Peripheral neuritis is the side effect of isoniazid, and optic neuritis is the side effect of ethambutol. Next question. Tetracycline, a 17th question. Tetracycline chelates with magnesium salt and all salt, या calcium salt, or D all of the above. And the answer is all of the above. 18th question. Which of following is first generation oral cephalosporin? A part cefadroxil, B part cefaprin, C part cefaclor, and D part cefizime. And the answer is A part cefadroxil. 19th question. Topical antifungal agent in candidiasis is A. cotrimazole, B. cotrimoxazole, C. onidazole, and D. propanol. And the answer is A. clotrimazole. Which of following is not a broad spectrum antibiotic? A. tetracycline, B. chloramphenicol, C. cephalosporin, and D. doxycycline. And the answer is cephalosporin. 21st question. The drug of choice to treat severe fungal infection in AIDS is A. didanacin, B. ketoconazole, C. aerosolized pentamidine, and D. acyclovir. And the answer is B part, ketoconazole. 22 question. Povidone iodine is used for A part burns, B tinea, C non-specific vaginitis, and D all of the above. And the answer is all of the above. It is used in burns, tinea, and non-specific vaginitis. 23rd. Beta-lactam antibiotics are A. cephalosporin, B. penicillin, C. imipenem, and D all of the above. And the answer is D all of the above. 24 question. Aminoglycosides A. accumulate in renal failure, B. effective against gram-negative infection, C. inhibit protein synthesis, and D all of the above. And the answer is D all of the above. A potent non-toxic herpes drug is A. cyclovir, B. idoxuridine, C. araamp, and D. vidarabine. and the answer is A part acyclovir. Acyclovir is an antiviral drug. 26. Cyclosporin is used in A. Anti-cancer drug, B. Immunosuppressant, C. Antibiotic, and D. Antiarrhythmic. And the answer is B part immunosuppressant. It is used to prevent rejection in organ transplant. And next question is 27. Which is a fourth generation cephalosporin? A. Cefaclor, B. Ceftriaxone, C. Cefepime, and D. Cefuroxime. And the answer is Cefepime, C part. Next question. Which of following antibiotic is found at much higher in clavicular fluid than in serum? Much higher concentration in clavicular fluid than in serum. A part clindamycin, B tetracycline, C penicillin, and D metronidazole. And the answer is B part tetracycline. Tetracycline is 2 to 10 times higher concentration in clavicular fluid than in serum. Next, 29 question. Tetracycline acts on A. 50S ribosome, B. 30S ribosome, C. cell membrane, and D. inhibit DNA gyrase. And the answer is B part 30S ribosome. 30 question. AIDS is a disease if immune system primarily affecting A. granulocytes, B. opsonine, C. immunoglobulin, and D. T lymphocyte. And the answer is T lymphocyte. Which drug can be used safely in lactating mother? A. erythromycin, B. chloramphenicol, C. ciprofloxacin, and D. ampicillin. And the answer is A part erythromycin. Next one. Which is given 32 question. Which is not given in anaphylactic reaction? A. epinephrine, B. antihistamines, C. beta adrenergic, and D. blood transfusion. And the answer is D part blood transfusion. 33 question. Drug which is safe in pregnancy. A. tetracycline, B. sulfadiazine, C. penicillin, and D. fluoroquinolones. And the answer is C. penicillin. 34 question. Quinolones are not effective in the treatment of A. mycobacteria, B. treponema, C. haemophilus, and D. salmonella. And the answer is treponema, B part. 35 question. DOTS is community based treatment and care strategy for A part leprosy, B part filaria, and D part tuberculosis, and D part malaria. And the answer is C part tuberculosis. DOTS is available free in all government hospital. The full form of DOTS is directly observed treatment short course. Next question is 36. Penicillin is not effective against A. gram positive cocci, B. gram positive bacilli, C. gram negative cocci, and D. gram negative bacilli. And the answer is gram negative bacilli. Next 37. Roxithromycin is A part a long acting macrolide, B a short acting macrolide, C a short action quinolone, and D a long acting polypeptide. And the answer is A part a long acting macrolide. Which of following is not a uridopenicillin? A. piperacillin, B. agelosilin, C. maglosilin, and D. flucloxacillin. And the answer is D part flucloxacillin. They are mostly ampicillin derivative. Next question 39. Redman syndrome is a side effect of A. rifampicin, B. vancomycin, C. tetracycline, and D. chloramphenicol. And the answer is B part, vancomycin. It consists of pruritus and erythematous rash on face, neck, and upper torso. Which of following drug does not show renal toxicity? A. streptomycin, B. gentamicin, C. methoxyprenaline, and D. isoflurane. And the answer is isoflurane. All show the nephrotoxicity, that is streptomycin, gentamicin, and methoxyprenaline. Next question. Which of following can be given as a single dose of malaria? A. atovaquone plus proguanil, B. artemisinin, C. pyrimethamine plus sulfadoxime, D. quinine and tetracycline. And the answer is C part, pyrimethamine and sulfadoxime. It is contraindicated in infant, pregnant, and patient allergic to sulfonamide. Next question 42. All of the following are the therapeutic uses of penicillin. A. bacterial meningitis, B. syphilis, C. anthrax, and D. rickettsial infection. And the answer is D. rickettsial infection. Penicillin G is given in bacterial meningitis, syphilis, and anthrax. Question 43. A distinct advantage that tetracycline have over penicillin is that tetracycline A. do not cause superinfection, B. have no side effect, C. are safer to use during pregnancy, and or D. have a wider range of antibacterial activity. And the answer is D part, have a wider range of antibacterial activity. Next question. Which antibiotic is effective against Pseudomonas and indole positive Proteus? A part, methicillin, lincomycin, carbanicillin, and oxacillin. And the answer is C part, carbanicillin. Next question 45. Combination therapy is given in tuberculosis in order to reduce A. cost of therapy, B. side effect of drug, C. dosage of drug, and D. development of drug resistance. And the answer is D part, development of drug resistance. Next question. Which of following antibiotic chelates with calcium? A. penicillin, B. tetracycline, C. erythromycin, and D. cephalosporin. And the answer is B part, tetracycline. 47. Antibiotic that interfere with DNA function is A. metronidazole, B. nystatin, C. sulfonamide, and D. tetracycline. And the answer is metronidazole, A part. 48 question. The drug chemically related to penicillin is A. tetracycline, B. cephalosporin, C. lincomycin, D. sulfonamide. And the answer is cephalosporin. Which of following is caused by amphotericin B? A. hypokalemia, B. hypermagnesia, C. hyperkalemia, and D. hyponatremia. And the answer is A part, hypokalemia. 50 questions. Stepwise mutation for drug resistance is seen in A. penicillin, B. garamycin, C. streptomycin, D. kanamycin. And the answer is A part, penicillin. One of the following mentioned penicillin is not given orally. A part, carbanicillin, B. Cloxacillin, C. Amoxicillin, and D. Phenoxymethylpenicillin. And the answer is A part carbanicillin. Because cloxacillin, amoxicillin, and phenoxymethylpenicillin is given orally. 52 question. Bacterial resistance to tetracycline is due to A. Alteration of drug binding site, B. Alteration of dehydrofolate, C. Decrease uptake of drug by enzyme, and D. Inactivation of drug by enzyme. And the answer is D part, inactivation of drug by enzyme. 53. A patient suffering from syphilis is given penicillin. He may develop A. cholestatic syndrome, B. Fanconi syndrome, and C. Gray syndrome, D. Jarisch-Herxheimer reaction. And the answer is D part, Jarisch-Herxheimer reaction. 54 question. Tetracycline is more preferred in periodontic because A part it is broad spectrum antibiotic, B it is anti-cholinergic effect, C all of the above, and D none of the above. And the answer is C part, all of the above, because it has both broad spectrum antibiotics and anti-cholinergic effect. 55. Drug of choice in amoebic liver abscess beside metronidazole is A. Ciprofloxacin, B. Chloroquine, C. Bifenium naphthoate, D. Mebendazole. And the answer is B part, chloroquine. 56 question. Disseminated candidiasis require intensive therapy with A. amphotericin, B. nystatin, C. interferon, and D. thiabendazole. And the answer is A part, amphotericin. Next question. 57. Sulfonamide may interfere with the bacterial A. transcriptional mechanism, B. translation, C. PABA, D. ribosomal function. And the answer is C part, PABA. Next question. INH induced neuropathies treated with A. thiamine, B. pyridoxine, C. riboflavin, and D. niacin. And the answer is B part, pyridoxine. Which of following is associated with neutropenia? Doxorubicin, cisplatin, vinblastine, and methotrexate. Answer is D part, methotrexate. Which of following drug does not show renal toxicity? Gentamicin, B. methoxypranolone, C. streptomycin, and D part, isoflurane. And the answer is D part, isoflurane. 61. Ototoxicity and nephrotoxicity is caused by A. antiviral drug, B. antiemetic, C. antibiotic, and D. antifungal. And the answer is C part, antibiotic. 62. Oral infection by penicillin producing organism should be treated with A. ampicillin, B. dicloxacillin, C. erythromycin, and D. any of the above. And the answer is B part, dicloxacillin. Dicloxacillin is a penicillinase. So answer is B part, dicloxacillin. 63. Gastrointestinal upset and pseudomembranous colitis is mainly caused by A. nystatin, B. clindamycin, C. cephalexin, and B. polymyxin B. And the answer is B. clindamycin. Which of following drug control lepramine reaction? A. dapsone, B. streptomycin, and C. ethambutol, and D. clofazimine. And the answer is D. clofazimine. Most serious side effect of chloramphenicol is A. candidiasis, B. bone marrow depression, C. photosensitivity, and D. angineurotic edema. And the answer is B part, bone marrow depression. 66. Metronidazole is a type of A. broad spectrum antibiotic, B. antidepressant, C. imidazole derivative, D. quinolone. And the answer is C part, imidazole derivative. Phototoxicity 67 question. Phototoxicity is a side effect of A. Penicillin, B. Dimeclocillin, C. Streptomycin, and D. Erythromycin. And the answer is B part, dimeclocycline. 68 question. Drug producing ototoxicity and nephrotoxicity. A. Tetracycline, B. aminoglycoside, and C. macrolide, and D. quinolone. And the answer is B part, aminoglycoside. 69. The traces of which of following antibiotic can be found in gingival fluid after administration? A part tetracycline, B clindamycin, C penicillin G, and D lincomycin. Of course, A part tetracycline, which is its unique feature, which is 2 to 10 times more concentration on gingival fluid rather than in the serum. 70 question. One of our drug is beta lactamase inhibitor. A. ampicillin, B. sulbactam, C. penicillin G, D. cloxacillin, and the answer is B. sulbactam. Thank you very much.